First at 6, a KCCI 8 News exclusive.
A weekend fire became even more devastating for some people when an attorney started hurling racial slurs at his neighbors. KCCI's Andrew Mullenbeck is live in West Des Moines with how this already difficult situation escalated.
Police here in West Des Moines say groups started forming outside the apartment complex during the fire Saturday evening, and then witnesses say the conversation turned suddenly. Video we got from a neighbor shows some of the moments when Adam Kerwald was talking outside with people who had escaped the apartment fire at Regency Woods, right as things began to escalate.
I just couldn't believe he did that.
Paula Black says she's known Kerwald for at least a year. She says she was scared as he became more threatening.
We tried to calm him down, me and another girl, and I told Adam, please, don't talk like that. That's not nice. Then he ran around the corner, and that's when he started yelling at all those people.
According to investigators, Kerwald initially offered his legal help to those affected by the fire. They declined, and that's when his attitude flipped.
Yeah, became belligerent.
West Des Moines Police Sergeant Jason Hines says Kerwald began threatening the very people he first offered to help.
He started using the racial slurs and then eventually stated he was going to go get a firearm in return, so our officers decided to intervene at that time.
But the arrest did not go smoothly. Police say Kerwald went from making verbal threats to physically punching the officers.
When they went to place him into custody, he began to fight. He struck a couple of the officers in the face with a fist and an elbow, and then he also assaulted a third female officer that we had on scene before they were able to take him into custody.
Investigators say police body camera video captures these moments, both the threats and the fighting, but that video is not being released. Kerwald faces a series of charges, including using abusive epithets and assaulting a peace officer, causing serious injury. Now today, we did reach out to the lawyer by phone, and he declined to comment. We're live in West Des Moines. Andrew Mullenbeck, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.